Hello class. Let's welcome to the class of class 7. Today we are going to discuss. I already told you about Srinjay Chakravarti and the theme of the poem in detail. Now we are going stanza by stanza. Are you ready? Yes. Take a pencil and concentrate on your test. The journey lasts for days and days. We trek up valley, hill, and slope. We carry with ourselves the hope to traverse strange, untrodden ways. So, here the journey lasts for days and days. The journey lasted or continues for long days. We trek up valley. We trek up means we travel. We traveled through valleys, hills, and slopes. We carry with ourselves a hope. Okay, we had got a hope when we travel through these valleys and hills and slopes. What is that hope? To traverse strange, untrodden ways. What is that? That is to travel through the untrodden ways or the ways that is not chosen by anyone ever in his life. So I hope you understood these four lines. Now we can move towards the next. We enter now a world of clouds. Along the way, we hear the call of mountain wind and waterfall. The pallid mist is spreading shrouds. So, we reached at the part of Himalayas, isn't it? Where the world of clouds. World of clouds means what? It means where the clouds are being covered through by the through their way, isn't it? The clouds are being covered in their way. While traveling, they can hear the mountain wind, the the call of hear the voice of mountain wind and waterfall, etc. Then the pallid mist is spreading shrouds. So children, what is pallid mist? Pallid mist is a light fog, is covered by the spreading shrouds means is covered by the whole mountains. Here shrouds means what? Clothes to wrap dead bodies. Have you seen a white cloth? And it is more lighter cloth. So what happened when we covered it, we could able to see the mountain properly because it is so light, isn't it? Like that the snow is covered there. So I hope you understood these four lines. We can move towards the next answer. At last, we reach the final peak. The summit beckons us to come. The air is cold, our feet are numb. We climb to reach the grail we seek. So, what is that? So, then we reached at the final peak. Final peak is summit. We reach at the summit. Beckons us to come. What is beckons? Beckons means actions or gestures. Now, so the final peak, so the summit makes actions and gestures to move forward. It makes actions and gestures and call the poet to move forward, to reach there. So when the poet travels and reaches there, what happened? The air is cold. The atmosphere becomes colder and colder there. And what happened? The air becomes so cold and our feet are numb and his feet get numb. What is numb? Get freezed. He won't able to move due to this heavy cold. Then we climb to reach the grail we seek. What is this grail? You know what is this grail? Grail means effort or the hard work that he does or along with his members does to reach at the peak of the mountain. Isn't it? So after all, they reach there and they make a climb when they reach at the destination. So I hope you understood these four lines. Now we can move towards the next answer. The path is steep and narrow there. It snakes its way, these stairs of stone. Now mark the route we make our own. The sunshine glitters the lucid air. So what it is? So the path is steep and narrow there. So when we get closer to the mountain peak, the path, now the description about the path, the way, it is steep and narrow. So it gets more steep. Steep means it gets more difficult and narrow. It was not straight. It was like the movement of snake like this, not straight. Its way. The stairs of stone and the stones were there like the stairs. And now mark the route we make our own. So we made the route by our own by marking it. Then by moving the stones and we made our own way to reach there. The sunshine glitters a lucid air. What is that? The sunshine glitters the lucid air. What describes here? We felt that the lucid air or the clear air are covered by the golden color of the sunshine. Okay, we felt finally that the lucid air or the clear air, lucid air means a clear air is covered or are covered by the golden color of sunshine. So you are aware about the color of the sunshine. So it's here the poet compared it with the golden color of sunshine. So I hope you understood these 4 lines. Now we can move towards the next stanza. The peak is dark with gelid snow. We look where sky and earth have merged. From high above, our souls are perched. Forgotten lies the world below. So, what it is? The peak is starked or decorated. What is stark? Decorated or covered. The peak is starked or decorated or covered with what? With snow. We just look at the place where earth gets joined with sky. Merged means joined. So when we reach there, we just look at the place where the sky get merged with earth. Is there any place like that? No, obviously it's the imagination of the poet. But it's nice, huh? Yes, it's too nice to hear. Now, from high above, so from the top of there, when we look down, we see the place where the sky and earth seems to get merged. But it is not like that, it's just an imagination. Our souls are purged. What means our souls are purged? Purged means purified. How the souls get purified? When our souls, here soul's purification means that the poet have got bad thoughts or feelings that comes to his mind when he started his journey. So it all gets solved and got purified here. That is what here referred, our souls are purged. Forgotten lies the world below. That means what? Whatever the things, whatever the visions that he saw when in the path of his traveling through the mountain peak, he just forgotten all those things. And what happened? Finally, he attains the success. He reached at the success. Now, I hope you got the poem. Children, just make an attempt to read it 5 times. Go through the poem and try to sing it in rhythmic way if you can. So if you have any doubt, ask me in the next class. So thank you class. Have a nice day and take care. Bye-bye.